To set S Pen up and down gesture to open camera in Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus or S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find advanced features, and then tap advanced features. Next, tap S Pen, and then select Air Actions. Next, tap up and down gesture icon, scroll down the screen, and then select camera. Now up and down S Pen gesture set as camera. To use, press and hold your S Pen button and then move it up and down, and then release the S Pen button and you must fast. Okay, press and hold up and down and then release. Sorry, press and hold. Press and hold up and down and then release. And then camera will be open. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.